Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over why you should be getting your clients off of social media and why you should be getting them onto an email list. I'm also going to go over a few ways that you can do this. Now, social media, just like this video, just like my Instagram page, is a really, really good way to get your message across. It's a really good way to attract ideal clients. But once you have those people on social media, some of them will be warm leads, some of them will just be kind of leads to an extent. Some of them will be ready to buy from you and some of them won't be ready to buy from you. If you can get your clients from social media to an email list, it's also a good way for you to filter the kind of cooler leads from the warmer leads. But I would say the main thing with this, again, on my email list just now, we have around 2,500 people, roughly 2,500 people. I would rather have an email list of 2,000 plus people than 100,000 followers on social media or subscribers on YouTube. A few years ago, Instagram went down and everyone was freaking out completely. Now, I didn't have 2,000 plus people on an email list then. I think I probably had about 800 to 1,000 off the top of my head. I wasn't overly stressed about it. I knew Instagram would be back up and running within a few days, and I knew that I could still market to warmer leads. Now, email is also very, very personal. If you put a post out on social media, chances are the majority of your followers probably won't even see the post, okay? Especially if it's a value style post or if it's a direct sort of call to action to sell them something. Whereas if you have these people from social media, get them onto your email list, you can directly market to these people. It's also very, very personal. So every single day, every single email that you get, it goes straight to your inbox. You will see it. It's also a great way for you to get your personality across on email. You can maybe say certain things or talk a certain way in which you can't do on your social media. Okay. Now, some of the best ways to do this is with a lead magnet. A lead magnet, again, I've went over this in a training, so you can join our members group below for £47 a month. It literally goes over everything from how to start to finish your fitness business, essentially, your online coaching business. We have a section on there on emails, software, etc., and lead magnets, how to basically create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically a free thing. We've now started doing sort of small paid for lead magnets. I would keep your lead magnet free, okay? So make it a free thing that gives value to your clients. This can be a document, it can be a PDF, it can be an ebook, it could be, again, like a 4-week free training, which has come out of potentially one of kind of Alex Hormozi's books. He was saying the best way to get people into your service is to show them what your service is like for free on a smaller scale. So you could do any of these for a lead magnet. One of the other ways is just to promote your list. So you can put something up on your stories about joining your email list and talk about the value that you give on your email list, and then give like an opt-in box if people then want to join it. You can do inside offers, so this could be for a group coaching launch, it could be for a one-to-one launch, it could be for like a Black Friday, Christmas, Easter special, but it needs to be for people inside your email list. It then gives people the want to then join the email list as well. One of the other things that we do as well is a weekly newsletter, okay? Now this isn't actually like sending out news to people. This can just be like a weekly email. You can get into the routine of doing weekly email and you can then promote this on your social media as well. So if you don't have an email list set up already, I would go and find the email software. Again, in our members group, we go over which email software I would recommend using. You can join that on the link below. I would definitely try and get an email software set up and start marketing to people on your email software, okay? And start adding some of these things. Start adding some of these things into your content. As soon as you've got your list, just promote it, talk about it. You will find that you will filter people. So this can also be like some form of funnel. You can basically filter people from your social media because you don't know on social media who your warmest leads are. Even down to the clients, we have over 200 clients, maybe around 250 clients in our business just now. Most of them don't like our posts on social media. Most of them don't. People aren't there to support you, especially if you are coaching people and you're serious about what you're doing. People will take value from your content, but you're not an influencer, okay? So get that out of your head. Get people from social media, get them onto email. It's a very, very easy way for you to filter out your audience, and then you can market directly to these people several times a week, build better relationships with these people as well, send out CTAs, and actually get clients coming in from your email. If you did find this video useful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.